If I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. So first we have to create balance. And I do that because this is round is moving. I do that by cutting on the edge. You know what, I'm going to do the same here. See? And now you want to cut this into the slices that you want, about 1/4 inch. You can put them together if you want to. And then cut it into small wedges. I have a pot of water, and what I'm going to do, this is a high heat by the way, for now. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of white vinegar. Let me put a little bit more, just a little bit more, couple tablespoons. Going to add some salt. And I'm going to add the fries. They're not fries yet, they are just potato wedges. And I'm going to leave them here cooking for about 10 minutes, get it a starch, clean up, you know, getting things rolling. Once they start bubbling, reduce the heat to kind of medium low because you don't want them to boil, okay? After 10 minutes, turn this off, and carefully you want to remove the potatoes and put it in a paper towel so they can start drying. You're going to leave them there for several minutes, by the way. If you're busy doing other stuff. So you're going to shallow fry these potatoes. Put some oil. I'm using vegetable oil. You can use corn oil or sunflower oil. And have this at medium high. And slowly, you're going to fry them in batches. And the first batch, you're going to fry for about a minute, okay? About 1 minute. And what you're going to do is, let me put the timer. Actually, let's do 45 seconds. 45 seconds to a minute. Once you remove them into a paper towel, play with a paper towel, go to the next batch and repeat the process. 45 seconds to 60 seconds. Shallow fry, medium high. But now you're going to fry this baby for about 5 minutes. For 5 minutes. You can move them around. Let me put the timer. You can do this for about 5 minutes. Get that nice golden color. Or until they are golden in the outside. How that sounds? So about 4, maybe 5 minutes. See how nice they look. Transfer them to a paper towel, a dry paper towel, new one. And then you go to the next batch. Look at these beauties, huh? Crunchy, but nice in the middle. Okay?